So, like I said, I have a small, I guess, surprise, change thing. I don't know. So, here's the deal. So, this morning I was getting ready to start drawing my sample picture. I always draw them the morning that before we do our live sessions so that I have something to show you so you know what we're doing. And when I pulled up the tutorial video that I was watching, or when I was about to pull it up, another video popped up. And I thought, you know what? This drawing is way cuter for today than the one that we were going to that I planned on us drawing. So I'm going to move the frog and the dragonfly to next week because today is Earth Day. And I found this like super cute earth and moon and sun. So I hope that is okay with everybody. Let's get started. So if you are like me and you're going to be drawing with a Sharpie or with a marker on your paper, make sure that you have some scratch paper underneath it. Excuse me, that you have scratch paper underneath it so that you don't bleed through the paper onto your table or onto whatever you are drawing on. I'm currently drawing on my 6th grade math book, and I don't think it would be a good thing if my marker bled through. So let's begin. So our earth is going to be the biggest part of our drawing today, but our earth is not going to be round like the earth normally is. Our earth is going to be a heart shape because we are celebrating the earth today and how much we love our planet. So right around the middle of our paper, we are going to draw a nice big heart. And it's okay if your heart is a little bit lopsided. My hearts are always a little bit lopsided. I always have one side that's a little bit bigger than the other one, and that is perfectly fine. Yours can be bigger than that. It can be a little smaller than that. It's completely up to you. You are the artist. You get to make those decisions. And as usual, our earth needs some eyes, and our eyes are going to be just kind of like the eyes that we've been doing. So we're going to draw 2 nice big circles in the middle. I'm going to add those 2 smaller circles to show that the eyes are really shiny. I'm going to add 2 even smaller circles down in the bottom so to show that they're super shiny, and then fill it in. Right in between the eyeballs, we are going to draw our mouth. So we're going to start with kind of a flattened U shape, like a little smile. But my earth is going to be super happy, and I'm going to draw kind of a big U shape underneath it with a little upside down U for the tongue. That's going to be the inside of our earth's mouth. Uh-oh. Oops, sorry about that. I've been having a lot of technical issues today, so I apologize for that. And once you've drawn your mouth, if you chose to draw kind of the open smiley mouth like I did, if you want to fill in the back of the mouth, you can. Or if you wanted to just do a regular smiley face, that's fine too. So then part of our planet is we have continents and we have oceans. We have land masses and we have water. So we need to draw some land masses, some continents. Now you can choose to draw your land masses, your continents, to look more like the Earth really does. Or if you want to do it quick, you can just draw kind of different shapes. So I'm going to draw a couple of different shapes on my Earth heart. So I'm going to draw one line that goes down. And I'll have another one that comes around the eyeball a little bit, and it's going to be kind of a big bump that comes down to a point. And then I'm going to draw a second one over here. Yours can be any shape that you want them to be. So these two for mine are going to be my land masses. They'll be green eventually when I color them. And the inside part will be blue for the oceans. So you can draw as many as you want on there. You can even put little islands off to the side of some of yours if you want to. I'll add a couple of little islands onto mine. And then we are going to add some clouds around our Earth. So I'm going to start with one on the left side, and I'll do a couple other ones. You can put yours wherever you want to. We're going to add these little like popcorn looking shapes, the big cloud fluffs. And I'll do another one down here. Maybe I'll add another one up on the top. And I think I'll add one more, and a smaller one down here. Excuse me. So you can add as many of those cloud shapes as you want to around your Earth. And then since it is so sunny outside, at least it's very sunny here where I live. I don't know if it's sunny where y'all are, but it is very sunny where I am. I can see in my backyard. So I need to draw a nice big sun up in the sky by our Earth. So I'm going to start with a nice big circle for my sun. And then you can add your sun rays. Now you can do your sun rays as like lines that just come off of your sun, or you can do the kind of spiky sun rays like this guy. That's what I'm going to do. So to do those, you're going to start off from your circle a little bit and just draw kind of little spiky U shapes that go all the way around your sun. And of course, our sun is very happy, so he has to have a face too. So you can give him two nice big eyeballs with those shiny spots on there. And he's just going to have a little smile right in between his eyes. And then since at night, our sun, we can't see the sun, we can see the moon, we're going to add a moon down on the other side. Now I'm going to make mine looking like it's a little bit hidden behind the clouds, but you can have yours all the way out. You can have yours up a little bit higher. You can put your moon kind of wherever you would like. My moon is going to go right here, kind of like it's hiding behind this cloud. And my moon, of course, needs those really cute eyeballs and a mouth. So I'm going to add some nice big eyeballs on my moon. And I'm going to give him a face or a mouth as well. I'm going to do the same kind of big happy mouth like the Earth has, but you can do a small one like the sun, a big one like the Earth, or you can do a different one. It's completely up to you. My moon is very happy to be out and hanging out in the sky today. And of course, when you look at the moon has all those craters on it. And this is the part that makes our moon, or that made my moon, my original moon, look a little bit like a moldy chocolate chip cookie. You can add some craters into your moon. So you can do that just by adding some circles for the craters. So that is our Earth, our sun, and our moon. And since